Palma for the HubPeople Spring Conference. A lot of our partners are here. We're very excited about new releases of our platform. Huge advances in the ability to run communities, both social and for dating worldwide. We're leveraging AI to really speed up the delivery of these dating brands and maximize their success and the conversion in the marketplace.
So when you come to conferences like this, you start talking to other partners and then picking up little golden nuggets along the way.
I've been doing this for 20 years. I've worked with HubPeople for 10 years. And the level that they're at now, compared with even just like 3 years ago, 5 years ago, it's just on a different level. There's no one better in the market.
Working with HubPeople is a very beneficial relationship. They're very much pushing forward in terms of the marketing side of things.